Hello again. Let's go over some weekly trades. I hear you. What your US is coming for a pullback, and we've got weekly and daily bearish price action. If you see this indicator showing bullish, you have a short-term bullish trend. We have an oscillator that's showing some bullish price action, and what we want to do is sell after our bullish run. We may get price action going lower and lower, below our lowest low on the stronger day time frame. So of course we want to prepare for our short-term bullish action and also our bearish sell for the Euro US. And NCD USD is also selling and continuing to fall very nicely. AUD/US is doing the same, just falling out the sky. Okay, I'm waiting on a pullback for GBP USD. I'd say we're bound to get one eventually, right? Because this wick here is quite long, and the last 2 to 3 candles are also showing like they're giving this area a support. So if we're looking to sell, we can sell below this area, but I'm still looking for a pullback and continuation for GBP USD. I'm waiting for a trend reversal entirely for JPY because the week is still bullish. Okay, so we've had price go lower and lower. We've got some divergent action going on. So for the day and the 4 hour, I'm waiting on reversal. I will not sell GBP JPY, even though it's been selling for the past month or two. But when we're ready for the bullish action, then I'll be buying. Euro JPY is looking like it wants to show divergence. We're getting less and less lower low and more ranging action. And you can see this line where price is exactly right now. It's been supporting for about 1, 2, 3, 4 touches and 4 candles or 4 wicks. So your JPY is a buy to me. I'm only waiting for confirmation. Our JPY is breaking my trend line. I drew this trend line and today it dropped below. So if we can get the same confirmation for RJ, then we will start buying. Okay, and SFPI is looking like it's been stronger, showing uptrend, but we're ranging really. We got a buy call on the SFPI and bearish action on the hour 4, and divergence on the oscillators. So I'm looking for a bull for the SFPI, but we might consider a lower low. So we'll wait and see what SFPI does. Yeah, I'm all for the NZD JPY for the buy. May not be right now, but soon. I'm looking for the week to trickle to bullish for the day and the 4 hour. Okay, BTC is falling like a rocket. If you're holding, maybe you should have sold closer to 67,000, and buying again above 30,000. Okay, gold looks like it just hit a support zone. We've got what almost looks like a shoulder head, price crossing and closing above the HMA, and divergence on the oscillators. When we get confirmation or at least a signal for bulls, then we can start buying gold. But it looks like it'll be ranging for the next day or two. GBP CAD looks well. We hit a double top, and we have a shoulder head closer to the bottom of this area. I'd say it's ranging, but it still can be traded for the bears. And silver still falling, but we have divergence at this area here, so we might look for a short-term pullback. Okay, so let's go to the G7. We had a call up for bulls. Of course, that didn't last long. And since price wants to fall, I say we wait until it's done falling. We're looking to sell that. It just crossed below our support zone and could continue for the week. Okay, so here's a continuation trade for USD CHF. That's the most recent call, and also hasn't touched our support zone, so we can look to sell the USD CHF. Okay, and Ethereum is still bearish. The week is showing Euro instead is bearish, and the day is giving us short-term bullish action and also rating action. This oscillator is showing divergence, so it may come to an end where it is and start to fall. As a decap is all the way bearish, so we can continue to sell that. And all these pairs are available on TradingView. So if you're looking for an account on TradingView, I suggest you find one that fits your style of trading after December 30th, after the holidays. But let's look at XAU. Gold spot. See what our indicators say. That looks bearish to me. So as long as we're having fun, we're doing the right thing. Catch you later on the next week. Bye.